Hi, I'm pleased to introduce this Giggle search tutorial series. We will be creating a funny joke search engine called Giggle Search using Python, Django, ChatGPT and a little bit of HTML and CSS. You don't need to have pre-existing Django knowledge to follow along. After completion, you will have built a search engine that can generate jokes based on the user provided topic. You will have also learned how to implement the ChatGPT API, all the basics of Django, and pitfalls and productivity hacks of ChatGPT. We will cover how to use templates and create different routes on your web server, as well as storing information to a database and also retrieving it again to display the information to the user through integration in your templates. Finally, you will learn about pagination, or how to split up a large list of results into multiple smaller dynamically generated pages that the user can navigate between. Let's get to it.